Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, let us talk about the trailer of Izingane's Isithembu of what is upcoming or what's going to be happening in the next episode of Izingane's Isithembu. They are obviously in Sunset Bay B, and we see a scene where Uvuyokazi calls Umpilo aside and basically says, "Me and Mpumelelo, we are not fine. Okay, sharp, sharp." And then we see it looks like they're at a dinner table, they're having supper, and not Umpilo, Usne turns to Mpumelelo and says, "Mpumelelo, Motabanga, according to you, do you think that Vuyokazi and Tirelo are okay?" And then Mpumelelo says, "Unenkinga, like, do you have a problem, ma'am? Like, do you have a problem?" And in his diary session, he's basically like, Usne must part out of his business. Now, I touched a little bit on this, you guys, on one of my previous videos, and someone was actually saying that Usne actually cares, and she's the oldest sibling. You know what my problem with Usne is that she acts, or she wants to act like the older sibling when it's convenient for her. And I'm sorry to say this, but before we even go further and speak about Snez, the older sibling, Dundun, my first request from her will be to go and apologize to Umpilo for being unnecessarily rude to Umpilo. And when Unwandle and Mpumelelo confronted her and asked her, like, what was going on with that? Like, don't you think you should apologize to Umpilo? She was like, no. Over and above that, when she was having her conversation with her friend, she admits that when they were having that games night, she said a few inappropriate words. So I'm like, you said a few inappropriate words, but she still refuses to apologize. So now, all of a sudden, so as a bigger and an older sibling, at many times you must be the bigger person and apologize, because that will gain you respect from your siblings. But going into it with the mentality that just because you're the oldest sibling, then you're not gonna apologize to no one because ingane lazy, like these are kids and all of it. Now all of a sudden, when they're on a trip, or when they're on the trip, when they at Sun City, she all of a sudden wants to play mediator between Mpumelelo's girlfriends. If you've noticed, guys, everyone there in the Mpumelelo household, I'm saying in the Mpumelelo household, out of Mpumelelo's siblings, no one enters his business. And I personally feel the reason why they don't enter his business is that though the majority of them are against and they're not for the lifestyle that he lives, they can't say much because their father supports the lifestyle that Mpumelelo lives. So what can they possibly say? Because fighting against Mpumelelo and them voicing out their opinions about Mpumelelo's lifestyle, which some people would say it's none of their business, and they do have a point there. But for me, it depends on how close siblings are. But if siblings are close, they should be able to call one another out. But in this setup, fighting with Mpumelelo or confronting Mpumelelo would be as good as confronting Musa Mseleku, because Musa Mseleku is for this lifestyle. He lives a polygamous type of lifestyle. So for me, I'm just like, why is Snare, or maybe Snare feels caught in between, because I've seen pictures of Usne and Uvuyokazi and I thought they were close. And then I've also seen pictures with Usne and Utirelo, and in the pool, when Tirelo was saying all those things she was saying about Uvuyokazi, she is speaking to Usne. So the fact that she's comfortable to say those things to Usne means that her and Snare has a tight relationship. So maybe Usne feels somehow that she needs to be mediator because she speaks or gets along with both ladies. That's why for me, I was kind of like disappointed of why Sneh didn't even wish Uvuyokazi a happy birthday, even if it went on her even if it went on a status. But the TV production posted Vuyokazi. I expected at least Usne and Umpilo to say happy birthday, but I did not see their comments. So that goes to show sometimes, guys, like, you shouldn't think that people are loyal to you. They are only loyal to you because of the benefit that you bring into their family and because you are there. And maybe sometimes they're just acting nice towards you. So yeah, mina I agree with Umpumelelo for a change. Ukuthi usine ungenaphi, sine ungenaphi. No one tells who, guys, let's just start by who gets to confront Usne about her lifestyle? No one. You can't tell nothing. You can't tell Usne nothing about her choice of lifestyle when she was busy leaving the kids, doing what. Able, even Selegu's wives said, which you can't speak to a person like Sne. She'll act like she's listening to you, and then she will Kanti, she's not listening to you. And towards her siblings, you can see she's got that mentality that you guys are not going to tell me nothing. So no one can speak to her about her affairs. So why should she be speaking to people about their affairs? Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Tell me what you think about Usne trying to be a mediator between Uvuyoga, between maybe trying to be peacemaker with this whole situation because it was awkward, you guys. Tell me what you think about it. Please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you on the next one.